what actually happens when sales people are not getting results, they try very hard for some time, but then they get lazy. But the problem is that if you get lazy, or if you slow down your prospecting, if you slow down your marketing, if you slow down your value proposition, what is going to happen is the client will forget about you, or the client will not think of you too much. In the sense, do you agree that everything in life is about visibility?
Right.
Right.
Everything in life, everything you get in life is all about visibility. So when the time is, when the market is slightly down, even when you are approaching the customers, maybe, I'm not saying will, but maybe you might not get immediate results. Maybe the sales cycle will be a little longer. Maybe they will delay it slightly. But if you are approaching them constantly, when they are ready to make the decision, who is going to be the first person in their mind? The person who has stayed in touch with them even during the negative time is going to be the first person they think of when they're ready to buy.
Right.
My point here is that as long as you are in touch with your prospects, even when you feel that you're not getting the results, or maybe you're feeling that you're not getting the sale right now, you still have to be in touch with the prospect. As long as they are qualified, they have to be qualified, because when they are ready to buy, they are going to most probably buy, or they are most probably going to call the person who is on the top of their mind, who's on the
Absolutely
top of
right.
their mind.
Absolutely right.